We're using drop-downs, which is a type of data validation. So here's my spreadsheet, and I want to add some drop-downs right here. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight the cells right here, and I'm going to go up here to Insert, and you're going to see drop-down. All right, now I have to fill the cells. So I'm going to fill 4 different things here where we have elementary, middle, high, and alternative, and I'm going to give them all colors. All right, I'm going to allow multiple selections so you can select more than one, and then I'm going to go ahead and click Done. Now, when I click on the little disclosure arrow in here, I get the elementary, middle, high, and alternative, and you'll see that I can click more than one of the options at a time. And that's the only thing that will be able to go into those cells is what I have in there. And that is how you use drop-downs. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Google.